How to log out of NordFX account. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how you can easily sign out of the NordFX account on a web browser. First of all, make sure that you're inside the web browser and then go ahead and get to the main homepage of NordFX. Type in nordfx.com in the URL box and you'll end up in the homepage. From here, go ahead and get to your dashboard page. If you're logged in, you'll see this kind of an interface. Now, scroll all the way down from the left-hand side menu and look for the Logout button, which should be appearing right here over at the bottom. Click on it and you'll be redirected to the login page, which means you have successfully signed out of NordFX account. You can sign back in anytime you want by entering your credentials. So that's it for today's video. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.